go straight up or straight down. Gold could have a big correction. It could go down $200-300 an ounce, but it's still way up there. So let's say it goes down $300 an ounce. It brings let's say it goes down to 2,000, like 2,600. What was it in 2024, January? $2,041. So it's still up. There's going to be corrections. Nothing goes straight up or straight down. But long term, we're very positive on it.
Gold prices soared to a record high against the US dollar on Wednesday, coinciding with a decline in global stock markets. This drop followed President Trump's announcement of a 25% tariff on automobiles, pharmaceuticals, and semiconductors set to take effect in April, adding to market uncertainty. Additionally, Trump blamed Ukraine for Russia's full-scale invasion, which nears its third anniversary in just 5 days. Since the conflict escalated, extending Russia's 2014 annexation of Crimea, gold prices have surged by over $1,000 per troy ounce. In London's spot market, prices peaked above $2,946, marking another milestone in gold's ongoing rally. Throughout 2024, gold set 38 new record highs, paralleling the peaks of 2011 during the global financial crisis and the volatile surge of 1979. So far in 2025, the precious metal has already broken 11 daily records in London's benchmark auctions. Gerald Celente, publisher of Trends Journal, described 2024 as a strong year for gold, fueled by inflation concerns, geopolitical instability, and economic policies like tariffs. These elements continue to push prices upward, reinforcing gold's position as a safe haven asset in uncertain times. Despite this, gold prices dipped slightly during the North American session on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve's latest policy minutes revealed a unanimous decision to keep interest rates unchanged in January. By late trading, gold was hovering around $2,925, down 0.31%. The minutes suggested that Fed officials saw risks to their dual mandate as balanced, though some policymakers warned that trade and immigration policies could slow the disinflation process. Additionally, certain inflation expectations have risen in recent weeks, complicating the Fed's outlook. While short-term corrections are possible, with potential declines of $200 to $300 per ounce, Celente remains confident that gold's overall trajectory remains strong. The persistent economic and geopolitical uncertainties support a long-term bullish outlook for the metal.
Well, if you're going to talk about geopolitics, how about oil prices? Well, Brent crude is, it's been hanging around the $77 a barrel for Brent crude. Could that change? Well, if the economy keeps going down, the prices will go down. Oh, yeah, but how about the war in Ukraine and the Israel war? How about if they go to war with Iran? It's going to rack up oil prices to Brent like about $130 a barrel, and that'll crash the equity markets and the global economy. Could anybody forecast where it's going? Well, we look at all the data coming out, and one week they say we got to bomb those Iranian nuclear plants, and the next week they say they won't. So you don't know what they're going to do. So we're looking at that, but looking at the whole picture, there's a global slowdown. You're seeing country after country, except the United States, lowering their interest rates because their economies are going down. The UK, India, the ECB, Europe, one after another lowering interest rates because their economies are going down. The media is calling, for example, what's going on in the UK, they're calling it stagflation. It's not stagflation, it's dragflation. The economy is going down, inflation is going up. So what does that mean to oil prices? Well, less demand. Yeah, but if the wars go on, oil prices are going to go up. Oh, and they put sanctions, right? Trump just put sanctions on Russia, more sanctions on Iran to stop selling their oil. So you don't know how this game's going to play out. It's a freak show because the freaks are in charge. You look at the cover of our magazine this week. It's the politicians are zookeepers and we're just animals in a cage. That's all they look at us as. Hey, I'm the president. I'll tell you what to do. And listen, everybody out there, shut your mouth. You have no right to think for yourself or speak out unless you're a billionaire. I got to hear the crap spewing out of Musk's mouth every damn day. Hey, shut the hell up, you little guinea from the Bronx. I'm Musk. I'm the richest man in the world. You're just a piece of shit like everybody else out there. You got it? So you ask me where things are going. You got a crime syndicate running a country near you. And that's the word as I see country. That's the way it is. So now you go on to gold prices. Whoa, what's one of your top trends for 2024 from the Trends Journal? Oh, a golden year for gold. Oh, gold only went up 25% last year. And now look how it's skyrocketing. How come? Again, tariffs. And again, whether you're for or against them, not the issue. Concern about inflation going up, geopolitical unrest, and that's where you see things going. So that's the picture. And we got a guy no president in modern history is more authoritarian than Trump. And again, I can't stand either one of them. To me, it's a crime syndicate. And by their deeds, you shall know them. What's your favorite war? Hey, I'm a bankster. Yeah, we screwed up the country with the when the dot-com bust, not the dot-com bust, the housing crisis. Hey, you don't have a job? You got no money? You're deep in debt? Don't worry about it. Sign over here. You can't get a subprime mortgage. And what did the banksters do? The Federal Reserve gave them $29 trillion, according to the Levy Institute of Bard College, to bail out the banksters. They're a crime syndicate. You could go broke. Who the hell cares? I don't give a damn. Hey, but I'm Jamie Dimon. We're only convicted of 5 felonies. 5 felonies. Oh, rigging the precious metals market. Yeah, we only paid $900 million. Shut the hell up. And I'm Jamie Dimon. All right? Where are things going? It's a crime syndicate in every damn country.
Meanwhile, concerns over the real estate market continue to grow. Warren Buffett has issued a warning about the sector, highlighting soaring home prices, an oversupply of housing in certain areas, and rising interest rates as key risks. He suggests these factors could trigger a market downturn. Residential real estate has seen unprecedented growth in recent years, but Buffett believes a correction is overdue. He also points to challenges faced by first-time homebuyers, who are increasingly priced out of the market due to inflated property values and higher borrowing costs. Beyond residential concerns, commercial real estate faces even more significant risks. Gerald Celente warns that the sector's decline could severely impact banks, which remain burdened by pandemic-era cheap money policies. With trillions in commercial real estate loans set to mature and Treasury bonds losing value, rising office loan defaults could strain financial institutions. Gold continues to demonstrate resilience amid inflationary pressures, geopolitical instability, and shifting economic policies. While short-term fluctuations are inevitable, its long-term trajectory remains tied to global uncertainty and investor sentiment. Meanwhile, the cracks forming in the real estate sector hint at broader economic ripple effects that could reshape financial markets in the years ahead. Will gold maintain its status as a safe haven asset, or could market dynamics shift unexpectedly? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this analysis insightful, support our channel by subscribing and turning on notifications. Stay informed. Your engagement keeps this discussion alive.